Panguva ino social media yachakanaka. Takaona kuti Mini Baloyi, she recently posted a post. She made a post encouraging women to respect their husbands, especially in public, but they can solve their disputes when they are alone. But panguva ino tuna kuti pane na uyo buda panguva ino nyoka ichinzi Mini Baloyi pushes statement that encourages weak Chiwenga oppressing ex-wife. Sana bila mashuko mdaji kwa panguva ino, don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tuna ZVAITWA ino buda echi make a post. Want to read a post you make one is ZVAITWA ino buda nyora echiti. At a time, most women are teaming to assist Sonjama's Kanda. Why on earth has Mini Baloyi published something that encourages the convicted Chigananda Vikno Chivayo on his lawsuit against his ex-wife? Baloyi is doing this at a time legal analysts say your husband Chiwenga is the greatest person set to benefit from Sonja's legal fight against Chivayo. She is also published this at a time Chivayo is insisting that Sonja must accept him as in a polygamy, continue as his first wife. Ndoma developments are rubuda chikumendewa nezim achiri why is it Mini Baloyi arikuachisaidira with Chivayo. I want to read a post which was made by Mini Baloyi recently. Yaita kuti ZVAITWA is of make this post. I once wrote discouraging ladies from calling their husbands import dogs. Ndingatuka pano. But I'm back again with my ministry because I believe marriages are under attack and it's our duty as religious people to protect that institution. My advice today is, chero ungasama say, murandakadzi, never insult your husband in public, but in closed doors, you can even beat him, no problem. Just kid him. Iva mubaziri akakwana, with that Proverbs 31:23 woman, will make sure the husband is respected at the city gate, where he takes his seat among the elders of the land. Do mashukano buda chitoko panapa na Mini Baloyi. Imbotu zema fungura enyi motu kudipa msoro pe ye post. Rangu message shemedu, subscribe or like, share on the bell icon.